G'day trendsetters. I've just brought you here to my little shaded area where I place all my cuttings because I wanted to show you the results of the hydrangea cuttings I took earlier in the season, late last year, towards the end of spring, the 6th of the 11th to be precise. And this is just the standard mop head hydrangea. In the video I did a 3-node cutting and they've well and truly struck. They struck quite a while ago, probably at least by the end of the year, by Christmas, early this year, so they're well and truly grown. I got 5 out of 6, which I'm quite happy with. I did have one misfire. I can't remember, it started dying from the top down, so it obviously got some sort of an infection in it. But it's also at the same time I took these cuttings. This is of a white one. I took these a couple of days earlier on the 4th of the 11th, but they're also doing really well and getting away now. They took a little bit longer, which I kind of expected because they're a smaller plant and they're slower growing. But they're all done really well. What did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there, and a couple of, well, one there failed. I tried a couple of single node cuttings on this one, and they've struck as well, although not as readily as the bigger cuttings. One other thing that I nearly forgot to mention was that I placed single cuttings in these little 4-inch pots. So basically these are now ready to go straight in the ground. I don't have to prick them out and pot them up and put them into a bigger pot. I can also put them into a bigger pot if I wish, but it'll be autumn here in another month's time and these can go straight in the ground, and they will from here. The only thing I have had to do in the last probably month or 6 weeks is I've started to liquid feed them because they'd used up what little nutrient was in the propagating mix, and but they're greening up lovely now with a regular liquid feed. But I think that's basically it. I just wanted to show you the results of the cuttings of the hydrangeas I took late last year, early in the season. It's really hard here because our summer is spread over half of last year and half of the new year, but very happy. Look at this one. This one's even, the node that was in the ground, which was supposed to be where the roots come from, has also produced 2 very strong and vigorous shoots from there as well. Great stuff. There you go. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Like and subscribe. That's what YouTube's all about, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers and bye for now.